Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the 17th stop on our adventure of visiting all 198 Oregon state parks. This is Heritage Landing. It's a boat ramp just east of the Dalles, Oregon. If you're interested in following our family journey of visiting all these parks, I'll link the complete playlist in the description below. Welcome to Investigating the Northwest. This channel is dedicated to exploring the beautiful, mysterious, haunted, and historical of the Pacific Northwest. The weather's now getting cooler, and the number of park videos will be decreasing until the spring, but don't worry, there's still lots of winter content planned. I'm really excited about it. This state park isn't a park in the traditional sense. It's a boat ramp and parking area. If you have a boat and want to go fishing or relax on the water for the day, you could start here at the landing. It's located at the intersection of the Deschutes River and the Columbia River, so you'd have access to both rivers. Just across the river is the Deschutes River State Recreation Area that we camped at a few months ago. I hadn't realized there was another state park just across the water. So when I recently visited the Dalles, Oregon, I drove a few miles over to this park and looked around. My visit here really just took a few minutes to view the ramp into the water. That's really all there is. This park is located about 15 miles east of the Dalles, right along the Deschutes and Columbia River. It's a really quick drive from the Dalles if you have a boat and you're in this area, or if you'd like an easy place to put your flotation devices in or to go do some fishing. How would I rate this park? Well, the beauty is a B. It has a lovely view of the water, but that's about it. Kid-friendly is a C. Unless you're taking your child for a boat ride, there's really nothing else for kids to do here. Fees, there are no parking fees, so you can park your vehicle and your boat trailer here at the park for free after you launch your boat into the water. Facilities, a B, there were bathrooms and other useful facilities specifically for boat owners, but yet again, just mainly the parking and the ramp. So this is a super short one because this is a really, really teeny tiny state park, but I definitely had to stop and take a visit because it's part of the 198. Thank you so much for joining me to hear about Heritage Landing Boat Park. If you're interested in learning about the mysteries of the Pacific Northwest, of exploring fascinating locations, discovering local legends, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive an email whenever a new video is released. Thank you.